I'm not sure what time it is now. Must be about 8:30 anyway. I left the house at 6:20 this morning. But the daylight's 6:30 now, so it's great. I like to see the daylight coming in. And spring ahead of us, and the summer ahead of us and all. You'll all be looking forward to the summer and all. Get some better weather, hopefully. Right, I'm going to want to set up another road and stick it over at that side. There is a lot of rocks round about. I've never fished here before, so I did see rocks just out here for a shot, just to the west side of it. So I hope I didn't take out of Nina out. I lost on a gear. Right, I want to set up at the other road. I just thought I'd have a wee wander around about these rocks here. Only clear water, eh? Yeah, Bucky. Meer buckies, look, smoking eens. I used to go round the shore picking buckies. They're good to eat. Oh, now we fish out down here. You see him here, look. Just here. See if I can get a hold of him. It's not good to get a hold of. Come on, Paul. No. See him here. That's my first fish of the day. He's all smart that I can't kiss him. The worst things, when we was bairns, we used to call things razor eels. But I think they're called a butterfish or something. He's a wee beauty, eh? What a beauty. We'll put him back where he belongs. Here you go, Paul. Put the stain down in her. Here are the buckies. Oh, there's a fishy, look. That's lad. Come on. Look at that lad. Fuzzy again. Come on. I see you. Fuzzy again. Watch him, look. See him here. Oh, what a beauty. Come on, Paul. They are on the back of that stain. It's too quick for me. I'm feared of squashing him. If I take a hold of him. A lot of buckies here, but they're small. I'm assuming somebody's been here already picking the buckies. Right, here's one for you. What fish it was underneath that stain I knew. See if you can guess what it was. Let me know in the comments. How the buckies look. How the buckies. But they're not for big. I can imagine this would be a good spot to pick buckies. Yeah, there's 2 or 3 of them. Once they grow a bit, eh? There's clumps of them. And then it's the steens. A recht place to tuck your beren. And here reken among the wee rock pools. Let them see all the life that's gone about. Now look underneath here. Show the buckies, look. All that buckies. Underneath this bitty. Yeah. But they're not big. So that's what's making me think that somebody probably regularly picks buckies here. And 15 are the big ones, I think. Yeah, buckies are wild, look. See that steen here? Somebody's turned it over and they're not putting it back. See that? See the seaweeds on this side? There's 2 or 3 steens like that. So if you're turning over the steens, I was putting back the further bar to let all the wee critters, all the wee fish, crabs and that hide underneath them again. Then let the seaweed grow. The seaweed's on the top of steens, see? Yeah, buckies, look. I better walk back and check my roads. Better walk over here, look. Maybe full of fish. Well, at least I haven't blanked today. That's 2 species of, well, I didn't catch 2, but I had 1 in my hand. What a lovely place. I've caught them sitting in his tail, look. There's no fusky in here, is there?
No, it's coffee time. What kept you? Where have you been?
Oh, I was about raking among the rock pools.
Did you find any treasure?
Oh, you've done.
you?
I had a blank today.
You have any blanks?
No, I've got 12 species a day.
Have you? What, starfish?
No, as a thingy, we used to call a razor eel.
Oh yeah.
But I think you would call it a butterfish. Would that be right?
Maybe.
It's like
If I knew what it was, I might.
It's like an eel,
Yeah.
but it's just long and flat up and down the way.
Right.
Yeah,
I look forward to seeing that.
just a little thing. But underneath the steens, yeah.
They're interesting.
And then I didn't catch it. I just filmed it bobbing about among the seaweed. I'm not sure, 100% sure the name of them, but they actually look like a miniature catfish, but we call catfish.
Yeah.
And you might call it a wolffish.
No, I can only think about coarse fish. We call that like a bullhead or something like that. But
Kind of catfish you get in the sea. Well, we call them catfish, but you might call it a wolffish. It's a big grey thing, with a fat head, big teeth on it.
yeah.
Well, it's just like a miniature I am, but I'm not sure what you call them.
Well, from what you're saying, with the big teeth, I think you were looking at a wolffish. But
But that's little ones. I
Yeah.
think it's a different species,
yeah,
and they're not greyish either, like a seaweed colour, kind of gingery colour. Yeah.
what, a wrasse? Small wrasse?
No,
They got
no.
teeth, haven't they?
No, it's the same as a cat,
Right, okay.
that we call a cat,
Right.
but just in miniature. Anyway, I seen you exploring over that way, so I thought I was actually getting again in here, but I thought to myself, well, it'll just be the same video. You've gone in, I've gone in. So I thought, well, I'll just get out one here, Rick.
No, it sounds like you found some really good stuff over there.
Aye.
That's all right, isn't it?
A lot of buckies. Yeah, they're small, like. But a load of buckies. That's good potential, that place, for picking buckies.
Aye, you can carry them.
I'm gonna carry myself up at see far with the gain, look. A warbot path up beside that cliff. Oh, I'm not looking for it, like.
Yeah. I'm not looking forward to the journey home.
No. Once I get to the car, I'll be fine. If I get to the car.
Oh, once you get up to there, it's more or less flat, isn't it? It's level.
Right.
It's level. It's just one foot in the front of the other up there. It's just a bit steep going up that way.
Aye, but you're carrying all that gear, you just heat up. Okay? Now, the slack line. Now, usually that means could be a bass or a trout or something. I didn't hear any bells ringing. Surely I lost the weight. Oh, something on. I think it's just a wee fluke. Oh man, there was something on here, I knew. I've lost my weight. Did you see the fluke?
Yeah.
The top of water just now, chasing the hooks.
Yeah.
Just a wee fluke, but I thought it was on a line, so it must have been just chasing the hooks. Ah, man. Yeah. Now look at that, you would think that would be impossible.
Where you've got a loop on top of the lead, I think it's come out because that's still clipped in together.
It's stainless steel and it's hard to squash it right in.
Yeah.
And see if there's just a hairline crack in it.
Yeah.
That thing's come out. Well, I want to get another weight on, freshen up a bit and put it back out, but I actually did see a wee fluke chasing us hooks just now at the top of water. So there is something out there. Right, I'll want to haul this in while Phil's got my camera. While I've got a cameraman, take advantage of him, see? It's a grabber Tina hard again. So it just shows you, sometimes it pays you to pull in slow. Because as you can see the flukes do chase the hooks in the way in. And if you're not pulling too fast, they'll grab it, yeah? Nothing at all. Well, we might get a fish with a flood. The tide is just turned now, so they might start biting with us, see a flood on now. Okay? So we'll freshen up a bit and get it back out again.
I was hoping we weren't going to go in too deep there because we're both in the hole in the welly club, aren't we?
Aye, we can't afford the new bricks.
Anything
Waterproof.
Anything above the knee and I get a leak.
Aye, I'm the same. Right, I'll maybe let you see us rigs while I've got them out of water. In the last video I was fishing in Sunnyside beach, and the hooks that catch that trout and a couple of wee flukies, a couple of wee flounder. In fact, I got a turbot, a small turbot. Anyway, it was just bling. So it's all bling I'm using today. My 3 rigs is all got hooks, it's size 4 hooks, and wee strippies of mackerel, and wee strippies of squid, and they've got a pop-up. When I see it's an orange pop-up, and some coloured beads. I did the track last time. I said a rig, just same kind of idea, size 4 hooks, wee chunk of mackerel, a float thing, and a couple of beads. And I have a wee stopper here, just little yellow rubber thing. That's a stopper, so I can move it up and down. It just stops us going too far back. Now I've got 6 hooks on each rig, and I shot in the rod over here with a push-in handmade rod holder. It's the same rigs as this, have a similar. Might be a different colour pop-up, different colour beads, whatever. Anyway, I'll want to get another gripper weight. Need a gripper a day, because I mean, it looks calm now, but every now and again there's 2 or 3 big rollers coming in. So I want to get another gripper weight, put it on that line, freshen up a bit and get them back out again. In fact, I'm going to put a camera out and the water does look clear enough for a camera. So I'll get that out and get back to this. I've put plenty bait on, because that's enough left out for at least a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours. You didn't get a great cast, it's a fair chunk of stuff to cast out. But hopefully it'll see something. Fear from wind they had gusts. Right, that's it in. Get a southern out now and a fresh bait on a scene and a. Right, get the bails on, so it'll let me cane if anything bites. Right, that's a trap set again. Nothing again, and the bait's not even touched. Same kind of rig again with the pop-ups and the beads. But I mean, there's maybe just no fish here, or maybe just no biting. But it's early days yet, so freshen up a bit, get it back out again. I just sat down to him at tea, and there's a rattle, the bells is rattling on my road. I see a fella doing stand on the side of my road. I shall let it develop. See, there's a batch of folk over here, look, with rucksacks. They just come down the path here, I know. Must be some walking club or something like that. Or rambling, is that if you got rambling? But anyway, I'm gonna want to hide the keyring. So I want to hide the keyring, and this time, because it's like a long walk, well, it's not really a long walk, but there's a fair path going down to the beach. I'm going to hide this, you know. And it's a klute. It's the same as what I'm using here. A cashmere fash klute. With a carabiner on it like this. So you can hang it on your tripod when you're fishing. Or you can just hang it in your scullery. Just for dicht in your hands. After you've done the dishes or whatever. But anyway, what I hide it. So, watch this space. Right, I've pulled back as we divot a girth here. And it's a klute under here. And at the end of a creel is lying on top of it. I'll put a couple of sticks here and just as a marker. So that's where the klute is. You'll see here, this is a path coming down onto the beach. And then just before you get onto the beach, there's a wee post here. And there's a fight stain here. And you'll see the end bit of a creel, not 2 sticks. Well, under that end bit of the creel is the klute. So, good luck finding that. I've just to hide the keyring now. Right, the keyring is hidden here, like. See that? And I'll put a couple of stains on it. Right, that's the keyring. And I've got stains, look. And I'll come out a wee bit so you can see exactly where it's at. See? There's 2 stains. It's jammed in. Well, they're not quite jammed, they'll maybe fall out, I don't know can. But in a crack of that bit of rock here. And that's near at the bottom of the path now. So that's a keyring and that's a klute down here. So good luck to the finder keyring on the klute. If you do find it, mind and put a comment under this video letting me know that you've actually gotten it, the klute on the keyring. And it lets other folk know, need to come out of what I'm doing here, looking for it. Or if you're sick, you can take a photo of yourself or your dog with a klute and I can add it to the next video. But you don't need to do that as long as you put a comment under this video so that other folk doesn't come looking for it. Last week Andrew found the keyring. Andrew and his dog Willow. Andrew was kind enough to send a photo of Willow with a keyring round her neck. And here's a photo of Willow up here with a keyring. Now it's not the first time I've seen Willow, or Andrew for all that matter. I was doing a Christmas special in Cullen Beach probably a couple of months before Christmas. And Andrew and Willow was walking by the beach. Willow come over and I get her a clappy. She's a lovely wee soul and I'm glad she's got a keyring round her neck. Right, good luck up to you anyway. I'm just in a wee wander by the beach. Up towards the, I think this would be the east end of it. A wee sip of water coming out of here. Goes it weer recht stek voor de fire, look. Get your handsaw out. Cut it up into bits for your fire. Look at this. It's almost like slate, that. You know, thin sections. Like, you know, we go in there and a looky run about new place. Look at this, look. See, all you need is a handsaw, or even you know, on battery chainsaws. Chop it up for your fire. It's a big, it's a steep hill to climb up with on your back, like. Nice wee bit in here. Oh, look at all the colours of this. This here. All the bonny colours, like. Look at that. That's beautiful, that. There's only geologists, I think that's a word, correct me if I'm wrong, geologists out there. Names are as different names for us rocks. Look at that. Going out, seeing that different rocks and stuff. I mean, look at this here. Is that slate? What type of rock is that? Let's see. I don't know. What's that here? That's the beauty about beach fishing. You can just stick a bails on and just walk away and leave them. And they'll ring out if you get a bite. And you can have a walk about. I'll just set your clutch on a road, like. Just something big goes on and you don't want your road taken off. Look at this, look. Oh, that rocks, huh? Shapes in them. It's just almost like slate. Maybe it's slate, I don't know. Or slices. It's really funny. It's almost like you're in a different planet. It's like you're in Mars or something. All the different shapes and that rocks. Buckies here and all, look. Great stuff. Oof. I'm not sure if we'll get out this way. I'm neglecting my fishing rods. I see Phil over here shifting my tripod back for me. Thank you very much, Phil. Very nice of you.
And these waves now are coming well in.
Starting to come up over this bit.
And then we've got that other bit there, so it'll settle down over there, I think.
Oh, it'll go in the backers.
I think it was just time to move rods back a bit.
Oh, thank you very much. I've seen you.
Bait's back up there. That one was sort of getting to that point where I thought it might just take the
I cope it over with this.
over with the sand not holding
getting
anymore.
wheat. So I just did for a wonder. I was hiding a clute in a keyring.
Yeah.
And just good for a wee wonder. I could run it back odds, but
It's good round there, isn't it? So your keyrings have been found, haven't they? In the last few years?
Oh, in the last year, no.
Yeah.
It was Andrew, mine, we met him in the Cullen Beach.
Oh,
He
yeah.
had a dog, Willow,
Oh, yeah.
a black dog.
Oh, yeah.
So he sent me a photo with a keyring around Willow's neck.
Nice one.
So I'll stick it up in this video. Okay?
Yeah.
This is a life. Taking us in and I'll just rebait it and shoot it again. It keeps shifting. So I'm assuming a gripper lead is broken out. Clear water here, look at that. I hope I didn't catch a hot out of the rain. This thing's been shifting about. Here, fishy, fishy. Nothing. Yeah, the bait's not even touched. Well, be taking a hard out in. That seems got a good hood. The gripper. I see some seaweed kicking about there. This thing must have been a fair distance out. I can't see anything. Yeah. Nothing. Once again, bait is not touched. I'm going to wind down the camera in now because it must have been out for about 3 hours. Hopefully it's picked something up. Is there fish out there? Maybe the camera's seen something. Well, it's the same again. Bait not touched. And oh my, there's a lump of seaweed running about the camera. I'm hoping that hasn't been here for a long time, or it'll have spoiled the viewing. We'll just fish up until high water. No, I'm wanting a turbot. Come on, fishy, fishy. I'm feared for my microphone. Oh, my microphone's here. I thought, oh no. I've just got one left now. There's a fish. A bit of seaweed. I feel some wind now. The wind's gotten up again. And the forecast said it was supposed to be dropping this afternoon. But that's not the case, it's gotten up as usual. I've never wrecked with a forecast. Yeah, and sun blasted up at the top of the beach here. Grip stuck. Nothing on it in. Nothing again. And the bait's not touched. Oh, boy.
Come on in.
Come into the body of the kirk.
Aye. Come and park yourself.
Well, that's another session. And Sunnyside Beach has been a lovely place to be. It hasn't been off a sunny lake,
No,
so it hasn't lived up to its name.
it hasn't today.
It's been off a windy.
It's going to be windy beach.
Windy beach, aye.
Yeah.
See, it's a dropping a wee bit. No, see, I told you it was going to happen.
Yeah.
Some of the gusts, I think they were gusting up to 38, 39 mile an hour. And I was getting sun blasted. Roads was taken off. My tripod, didn't fall today. I have a great big sandbag hanging for the fit of my tripod. Because I was expecting it to be breezy, but not so windy as that's like.
It has been very, very windy. It's been very hard to see if we've had a bite. I reckon we've had bites since this because the rods have just been waving about in the wind. It's a big surf, isn't it?
It's a big surf. I mean, there could be fish out there. I had a good fish today, as you can see, but the master here is special fish.
Very small.
It's a special fish too.
It is.
Yeah. So you like to check out his channel, Another Angle UK,
That's the one.
and see his special fish. Hopefully the camera has picked up something.
It'll be very interesting to see.
I'm assuming either there's no fish here, well there was fish here, because Phil proved it, or they're not hungry, or the last time, in fact a few times I've been watching the footage in the camera, and it's hard for a fish to hold the bottom with all the swell and undercurrents. I've seen the flukes actually gone for a bait and the current just taking a hold of them and just shoving them and actually whacking them up against the camera.
That's right, yeah.
But hopefully we'll see something in the camera anyway, and that'll save my day anyway. At least they've seen a fish.
Well, it has been a good day though, isn't it?
Oh, it's been a great day.
It's always a great day, chatting along and everything's going on. And trying different things, because you've tried some smaller hooks, you've tried different bits and bobs, different baits.
Just sun blasting being again.
Yeah.
I think that's about that, just.
Do you want to tell them about the clutie and the keyring?
Oh, the clutie, aye. Oh, well, I have told them earlier on in a video about the catch me a fish clute and a keyring. So good luck to the person who finds that keyring and finds a clute.
Yeah, good luck, because they're being found within about 2 or 3 days usually, aren't they?
Aye, oh aye. Yeah. Sometimes it's just a few hours.
Yeah.
But this is a bit of a walk to get that.
Well, you got to work for it. That's why you're getting it.
Aye, that's how you're getting a clue today.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's it for now. So
Tight lines from me.
And take care of thee, and I'll catch you after for me.
See you in the next video. See ya.